friends. Today edition, I want to tell you a story. A calm, gentle, important story about trusting yourself. There was a boy named Keshav. Keshav was kind. Keshav was hardworking. But Keshav had one problem. He did not trust his own decisions. When he wanted to do something, he asked others first. When he felt something, he doubted himself. People gave advice. Some advice was good. Some advice was confusing. Slowly, Keshav felt lost. He felt unsure. He felt weak inside. One day, Keshav went to his uncle's house. His uncle was calm and wise. Keshav asked softly, "Uncle, how do I know what is right for me?" His uncle smiled gently and gave him a mirror. He said, "Look at yourself." Keshav looked confused. His uncle said, "This person knows your dreams. This person knows your pain. This person knows your strength. That person is you." He continued, "Listening to others is good, but trusting yourself is necessary. Your heart learns. Your mind grows. With time, you become wiser." Keshav listened quietly. His heart felt warm. He whispered, "So, I should trust myself?" His uncle smiled. "Yes, trust yourself. Take small steps. Learn from mistakes." From that day, Keshav changed. He still listened to advice, but now he also listened to his heart. He made small decisions. He learned from results. Slowly, his confidence grew. Slowly, his fear reduced. Because when you trust yourself, life becomes clearer. Choices become easier, and the heart becomes strong. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. You have wisdom inside you. You have strength inside you. Listen, learn, and trust yourself. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep growing. And always remember, trust yourself. You know more than you think.